Lake Wappapello State Park is located 2 hours south of St. Louis, near Poplar Bluff, Missouri. Matt and I visited for a weekend campout in June of 2020. This quiet state park was land that was once used by Indians and pioneers to feed their families. It has now been transformed into a recreational haven. Lake Wappapello was formed in 1938 when the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers built a dam on the St. Francis River. Today, visitors can access Lake Wappapello via the park's 3 boat ramps for fishing or boating. The fish you will find in Lake Wappapello are white bass, crappie, bluegill, as well as largemouth bass and catfish. The park store offers personal watercraft rentals as well as drinks, snacks, and any other necessities you might need for your park visit. For other day use in the area, there are several miles of hiking trails, as well as a swimming beach, picnic areas, and a couple of picnic shelters. I have to admit that this is one of the quieter state park lakes that I've seen. It makes it great for those kayakers and fishermen. If you're looking to stay at Lake Wappapello State Park, they have 2 campgrounds, Asher Creek and Ridge Campground. We stayed in Asher Creek Campground. It has a boat launch for registered campers only and is right next to the water. It has approximately 25 sites that are basic and electric. The Ridge Campground is located on the ridge. It has family campsites, basic, electric, and these camper cabins. For those that may not be interested in camping, Lake Wappapello State Park offers 2 and 3 bedroom housekeeping cabins. They are offered through a concessionaire, and they are available April through October. We enjoyed our time at Lake Wappapello State Park. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, this is Kay from Happy Trails Hiking, and we hope to see you in our parks.